parking lot?
Yeah.
Alright.
That or come on, that or park right there in that fucking driveway.
But they had just blocked.
Yeah, but nobody's there.
Oh, fuck.
No, they had it blocked up. There was 2 cars there.
Yeah, he didn't mess with the rate rate.
Alright, let's
Throw
move
the thing down.
Sir?
What just happened?
A liquor deal, I guess? Went down? I don't...
Tell me, you gave him
Peach
20
and apple.
So you gave him what?
Give him some money in exchange for goods. That's what happened right now. I'm not incriminating anything.
Not incriminating anything.
I'm not saying I did something right. I'm not saying I did anything wrong.
Oh, fuck.
Damn, I'm gonna stay.
Look at her, huh? See if she'll race you. You wanna race? You wanna race my friend's truck? She doesn't wanna race. She's got a GoPro in there though, watch out.